Alright, check it out now. I got the motherfucking the Svedka vodka, you know what I'm saying? Big ass bottle, you know what I'm talking about? I know earlier I was talking about going to the store and get some jam, but the nigga got it, you know what I'm saying? Jam make you sing. So your boy got to get the vodka, you know what I'm saying? The vodka keep your boy mellow, you know what I'm saying? Get nice and right for the night, you know what I'm saying? Just stay chill, you know what I'm saying? Not get ill. But shit, what the situation is, you know what I'm saying? Nigga done went from drinking Dos Lunas, you know what I'm saying? For those who don't know what Dos Lunas is, that's Mexican for 2 moons, you know what I'm saying? That's a type of tequila. That shit is very expensive, you know what I'm saying? Drinking this shit right here, man, this shit was $17 for the big ass bottle, you know what I'm saying? I'm saying, man, that shit crazy. Hey, but you gotta do what you gotta do to keep your mind right, you know what I'm saying? But shit, it is what it is. But shit, I'm gonna hit y'all up and I'm gonna let y'all know what the next case scenario gonna be here in a little bit, alright? I'll let your boy.